Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. In this video, we will learn MS Excel's two magical formulas which you must know. These formulas overcome the drawbacks and limitations of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP formulas. Your guess is right. I am talking about index and match formulas. These are two different formulas, but if we use them together, then these are more powerful and dynamic formulas that takes your financial analysis and financial modeling to the next level. This video will be little lengthy, but I am sure that if you see this video till the last, you will learn all concepts of index and match formulas. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin the topic. So in this example, we have the data of quarterly sales in different zones. Index returns the value of a cell in a table based on column number and row number. Suppose in this example, we want to know the sales in quarter 2 in North Zone. So data is available in row number 2 and column number 3. So we will use index function is equal to index. Now it is asking for selecting the array. So we will select this array. Now it is asking row number. So row number is our 2 and column number 3. So we get the data of the sale in quarter 2 in North Zone, that is 725. But in this formula, we have given the row number and column number manually, which is not good. This row number and column number we will get from the match formula. We will use match formula now is equal to match. Now we have to get the lookup value, that is quarter 2 and comma lookup array. Lookup array is in this column. Now we have to give the match type. Match type we will select 0 as exact match and close the bracket and it get 2. Now we have to get the this column number. So again we will use the match function. We will get lookup value as north. Then we have to select lookup array. Lookup array is available in this row. Now we will select again 0 as exact match. Now it is close bracket and it gets our row number. So in this way we got the column number and row number from the match function. But if we combine index and match formula, so it is more powerful and dynamic. Let us see. We will type is equal to index bracket start. Now we have to give the array. Array is again this B4 to E7. Now we have to get the row number. For row number we will use the match formula. Now we have to select the lookup value. So again we will get quarter 2 and lookup array is this area. Now we will select 0 for exact match and bracket close. Now comma. Now again we have to get the column number. So we will use match function and lookup value in this case our north and lookup array is this row and we will select match as 0 bracket close and again bracket close. So in this way we have got the number of 725, that is quarter 2 sale in north area. Now we will go to next step of index and match formulas. In this example, we have only one table, but if we have more than one table, then what happens? So now we will go to next sheet. In this you can see we have the data in four tables of carom, ludo, chess and badminton sales in different quarters and in different zones. And we have to get the data of suppose quarter 2 in north zone in the ludo table. So we will use the index and match function for this. So we can see in this we will type is equal to index bracket start. Now we will use this second syntax for getting the data from four tables. So we will select these all tables one by one. Firstly, we will type one open bracket again. Then we will select the data one by one. This now comma again Ludo table number 2, then again chess 3, then again badminton as 4. So we have four tables in this data. Now we will close first bracket. Now we will type comma. Now we have to give the row number. That is again just like in previous example. We will use match function. Then we will have to give the lookup value. That is lookup value this, and again lookup array. Lookup array we can give for any table. Then we will type 0 as a exact match. Then we will close the bracket. Now again for column number we have to use match function. Now again we have to give the lookup value. Lookup value is this one. Now lookup array. Lookup array is in this we can select this. Now we have to give the match type again 0 for exact match. We will close the bracket. Now we have to select the table number from which we have to get the data. Suppose we want to get the data from this badminton table. So this table number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will type 4 and close the bracket. So in this way we have get the data of quarter 2 sale in each zone in badminton table. But in this you can observe that I have given the phone number as manual. We can make it is dynamic also. So again we will type. For that we have to give this all table name in one place. So here we have given carom, ludo, chess and badminton, because carom number is first table, ludo is second table, chess is third table and badminton is fourth table. So now we will use match function for getting the table number is equal to match. Then lookup value we have mentioned here badminton. Then lookup array. Lookup array we will select this area. Then we will type 0 and bracket close. So in this way we get the number of table. So we can copy this formula and paste in this in place of 4 by pressing Ctrl V. Now press enter. So now it's this formula is our dynamic. We can build this. Now suppose we want the sale number of quarter 3. So we will type Q3 in south zone. So we'll type south zone, and suppose we want the data from chess table. So we will type chess. So in this way, you can see this data is changed and it is giving Q3 data, Q3 sales from South Zone in chest table. So friends, I am sure that I was able to give you the clear understanding of index and match formula. So if yes, please press the like button and consider subscribing my channel. Also share this video to your friends and colleagues so that they are also benefited from this video. Thank you friends. Goodbye. Have a nice day.